Introduction. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to create a Facebook account on Windows, Android, and iOS. In this video, I'll be walking you through step by step on how to create a Facebook account and how to use Facebook to add pictures, videos, likes, comments, shares, and other features. So let's get started. Part 1. Creating a Facebook account on Windows. Scene 1. Introduction to creating a Facebook account on Windows. Narrator. First, let's create a Facebook account from your Windows computer. Scene 2. Opening the Facebook website. Narrator. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.facebook.com. Scene 3. The Facebook homepage. Narrator. Here's the Facebook homepage. Click the Create New Account button. Scene 4. Entering account information. Narrator. Fill in your first name, last name, mobile number or email address, password, date of birth, and gender. Scene 5. Verification process. Narrator. To verify your account, enter the code sent to your email or mobile number. Scene 6. Profile picture and cover photo. Narrator. Finally, let's add a profile picture and cover photo. Click Upload Photo to add your desired images. Part 2. Creating a Facebook account on Android and iOS. Scene 1. Introduction to creating a Facebook account on mobile devices. Narrator. Now, let's create a Facebook account from your mobile device, either Android or iOS. Scene 2. Downloading the Facebook app. Narrator. Download the Facebook app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Scene 3. Opening the Facebook app. Narrator. Open the Facebook app and click the Create New Account button. Scene 4. Entering account information. Narrator. Enter your first name, last name, mobile number or email address, password, date of birth, and gender. Scene 5. Verification process. Narrator. To verify your account, enter the code sent to your email or mobile number. Scene 6. Profile picture and cover photo. Narrator. Finally, let's add a profile picture and cover photo. Click Upload Photo to add your desired images. Part 3. Using Facebook and its features. Scene 1. Adding friends. Narrator. Now that you have created your Facebook account, let's learn how to use it. First, let's add some friends. Scene 2. Posting status updates. Narrator. To post a status update, click on the What's on your mind box on your newsfeed. Type your message and click Post. Scene 3. Adding pictures and videos. Narrator. To add pictures or videos to your Facebook account, click on the Photo, Video option on your newsfeed. Choose the files from your device and click Post. Scene 4. Liking and commenting. Narrator. To like a post, simply click on the Like button. To comment, type your message in the Write a Comment box and click Post. Scene 5. Sharing posts. Narrator. To share a post, click on the Share button and choose whether you want to share it on your timeline or to a friend's timeline. You can also add a message before sharing. Scene 6. Messaging friends. Narrator. To message your friends, click on the Messenger icon at the top of the screen and select the friend you want to message. Type your message and click Send. Scene 7. Joining groups and pages. Narrator. Facebook also allows you to join groups and pages related to your interests. To do this, simply search for the group or page you want to join using the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you've found the group or page, click the Join or Like button to become a member. Scene 8. Privacy Settings Narrator. It's important to adjust your privacy settings on Facebook to control who can see your posts, photos, and personal information. To access your privacy settings, click the down arrow icon on the top right of the screen, then select Settings and Privacy, and Privacy Shortcuts. From there, you can adjust your privacy settings to your liking. Conclusion. Congratulations, you now know how to create a Facebook account on Windows, Android, and iOS, as well as use some of its basic features like messaging, posting, liking, commenting, sharing, and joining groups and pages. Remember to always use Facebook responsibly and protect your privacy by adjusting your privacy settings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.